Imagine a silver sensitizing tank that would allow you to seamlessly sensitize your collodion plates wherever without having to worry about leaks and corrosion. This is your ultimate zebra sensitizing tank, an essential piece of equipment for any wet plate photographer out there.
Hi, I'm Nate, the founder of Zebra Dry Plates. Our workshop is mostly known for being the only commercial producer of dry plates in the world. But we are more than just plates because in recent years we've released a wide range of large format photography gear and equipment, like Zebra magnetic wet plate holders, for example, that are being widely used and trusted among the wet plate community all around the world. All of our products share one common goal: to make plate photography fun and accessible for everyone. Sensitizing Tank, for example, can simply be a water and light tight box, but with a wet plater in mind it can be much more than that. Let me show you how.
The Zebra tank is made from a solid piece of plastic with a durable, seamless construction. The textured exterior provides a better grip, making it ideal for your field adventures. With a specially designed lid and chemical-resistant seal, you'll never ever have to worry about light leaks or spills. The secure latches on the front prevent accidental openings, so you can focus on your work without distraction. It is built like a freaking submarine. Trust me on that. It ensures complete immersion of your plate, no matter the thickness. Plus, you'll save on costly silver nitrate with our Simple Plate Drain feature. Now you will be able to simply hang the sensitized plate on the tank's edge to cleanly drain off excess, making your silver nitrate last longer and less contaminated. And now to the most exciting part. We all know how nerve-wracking it is to fill or drain these tanks of silver nitrate without making a big mess. Not with the Zebra tank. Thanks to its dual cap system and built-in drain pipe, you can make the process quick, clean, and hassle-free like never before.
As you can see, these beautiful Zebra sensitizing tanks are packed with features and they are super convenient to use. But now we kindly ask you for your support so we can bring them to life. Because if it wasn't for you, these beautiful photographic crafts would already become a thing of the past. Following photographers' requirements and needs, we were able to get these tanks only so far. But with your feedback and your support, we aim to make them the most useful and the most versatile sensitizing tanks to date. So grab yourself one at an all-time best price and join the Zebra family. Thank you!